Hello there. My name is your generic Snore Monster, and I truly am a monster and I deserve to be thrown off the barrier and into a pool of hydrochloric acid. Also, I'm a flaming homosexual. I like to keep people awake at night, because I snore like a goddamn dragon with an amplifier shoved up its ass. I know that there are methods to get rid of my snoring, but I won't even try any of them, because I'm too damn lazy to do anything about it. I also like to say things like, "Oh, my snoring can't be that bad," or "You're exaggerating," and stupid shit like that. And the reason for my snoring is that I smoked too much pot when I was a kid, because my parents failed at life. And I can't even go outside anymore, because my neighbors are all so fed up with my snoring that they pelt me with artillery shells whenever they see me. And my wife refuses to have sex with me for some unknown reason. And I bet you can't figure out what I'm about to say next. Wait, did you say something? Did you say something about inanimate objects? Well, sort of. I only like to make sex with one single object in the whole world, and I'd like to introduce him to all of you. Okay, everyone, here he is. Isn't he sexy? Seriously, he's the best boyfriend you could ever ask for. In fact, I like to make sex with him every day. And when I make sex with him it sounds something like this. And that's it. Because my boyfriend is so radioactive that my whole body has become fluorescent. My wife is going to beat the shit out of me for it, but still, that was mind-blowingly swell, don't you agree? I hated it. That sex was shittier than shit, and I don't know how you survived my deadly doses of radiation, but I don't fucking care. I'm going to find another nuclear power plant to make sex with, but wait, I can't, because I can't reproduce. Oh well, anything is better than staying with you. Consider yourself dumped. Goodbye forever. No, wait, don't dump me. Shit, he's gone. Now I've got no choice but to go home and make myself feel better by making out with a chainsaw. But wait, what's this weird feeling that something horrible is supposed to happen to me right now? There's no one around here. Oh well, I guess it was just my imagination. I guess I'll just leave then. Surprise attack, bitch. Wait, what? Ow, that hurt like hell. I hate you, Chuck Norris. But I'm not dead yet. But you will be after this. Say hello to my friend.
Thank you, Chuck Norris. Hello, my name is Batman, and I'm now going to speed rape you until you're nothing but a sack of shit, so here we go. No objections.
Oh no. I don't want to get speed raped by you. Not after that horrible beating that broke every bone in my body. So go away, and leave me alone, bat shit.
That is it, I'm now going to speed rape you, so here we go. You suck. PCs are better than you. Windows XP is better than you. Don't try to escape. Pancakes. Watermelon. Sandpaper. The Elder Scrolls series is better than you.
I hate you, Batman and Chuck Norris.
Okay, now that your generic Snore Monster got pummeled and speed raped to death, you two and the world are safe again.
But if more evil people come lurking, just give us a call. This is Chuck Norris and Batman, signing off.